The benefits of Soapstone Countertop. Dear friends, Soapstone is well loved for its warm, inviting aesthetic. This material is popular in country kitchens and is often used to create a rustic, farmhouse look. That said, Soapstone is incredibly versatile to design with and can be effective in styles ranging from modern to eclectic. Let's look at the benefits of Soapstone. Aesthetics. Soapstone is available in colors ranging from white to dark charcoal gray with beautiful, milky marbling. This neutral color range makes it easy to include soapstone in a wide range of design styles. Versatility. As a non-porous stone with high heat resistance, soapstone has many common uses, from countertops to fireplace surrounds. Bacteria resistant. Soapstone is the densest natural countertop material on the market, which makes it easy to keep kitchen settings hygienic as this stone will not harbor bacteria growth. Ease of maintenance. Soapstone is easy to clean, doesn't need to be sealed and requires minimal ongoing maintenance. Environmentally friendly. Soapstone doesn't need to be treated with chemicals or sealers between getting quarried and installed in your home, which is good for the planet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.